For years, we've been hearing this promise that AI is going to completely transform sales. But let's be honest, the reality has been kind of underwhelming. Well, today, we're going to talk about a fundamental shift that is finally delivering on that promise. We're moving way beyond simple AI tools and into the era of autonomous AI agents. It's a whole new ballgame, and we're going to break down exactly what that means right now.
So why did all that early stuff fall so flat? It's a fair question, right? I mean, we all remember those chatbots that couldn't answer a simple question or the predictive leads scoring that was just a bunch of buzzwords. For a lot of us, AI in sales felt like more hype than help. Well, that era is officially over, and not because of some small tweak, but because the entire approach has changed.
This image right here, this really gets to the heart of the problem. See, the issue wasn't really the AI itself. It was the old-school sales process it was being bolted onto. It was this tangled mess of manual work, disconnected systems, and clumsy handoffs. You just can't slap a new tool onto a broken system and expect some kind of revolution. It doesn't work that way.
So, here's how we're going to break this all down. First, we'll dig into that fragmentation problem. Then, we'll define the huge shift from tools to agents. We'll meet the new AI workforce, crunch the numbers on the real cost and ROI, and finally, we'll talk about how you can actually architect your own modern revenue engine.
All right, let's start by really digging into why the old way of doing things is just so fundamentally broken. And spoiler alert, it's not just one thing. It's a systemic problem that runs through the entire company.
The real root of the problem is organizational fragmentation. You've got marketing, sales, legal, finance, all historically operating in their own little worlds. And this isn't just a squiggly line on an org chart. It creates actual, tangible friction that slows everything down every single day.
And that friction, it leads to some pretty serious headaches. You get data inconsistency, where your customer's info is different in every system. You get huge delays, what we call process latency, from all those manual handoffs. And what's the end result of all that? A clunky, frustrating, broken experience for your customer. The bottom line is this inefficiency isn't just an internal problem. It is actively costing you money.
So, if that's the problem, what's the solution? Well, this brings us to the single biggest idea in this whole explainer. A completely new way of thinking about what AI is supposed to do in the sales process. This is absolutely crucial to understand. The difference between a tool and an agent is huge. An AI tool needs a human to operate it. Think of it like a souped-up spreadsheet. It helps with one specific task. An AI agent, on the other hand, just needs human direction. It can execute an entire function all by itself. It's not a tool you use, it's a digital employee you manage. I love this quote. It just nails it. An agent is like a junior employee who works around the clock, never gets tired, never takes a vacation, and costs less than what a lot of offices spend on coffee. It just makes the whole concept so real. We're talking about a digital team member doing the work. Okay, so what does this new AI workforce, actually do? Well, it's not just one piece of magic software. It's a whole coordinated team of specialized agents working together.
The modern AI sales stack is really made up of these 6 key roles. You have agents that can autonomously find new leads, others that run multi-channel outreach campaigns, and even agents that provide deep analytics and revenue intelligence. Each one is a specialist.
But out of all of these, the one that is the absolute game changer is autonomous phone engagement. Why? Well, think about it. Email reply rates are in the gutter, often less than 1%. But a real phone conversation, that still converts at 10 times the rate of any other channel. The phone was never the problem. The economics of paying humans to make thousands of calls was.
AI agents have completely flipped that economic model on its head. They are now achieving contact rates of 70%. Just let that sink in for a second. 70.
And this chart just puts that number in perspective. The average contact rate for a human sales rep actually getting someone on the line is a pretty dismal 15%. These AI voice agents are nearly 5 times more effective at the most fundamental part of the job, just starting a conversation. It's incredible.
Okay, so the performance is off the charts. But I know what you're thinking. What does it cost? What's the actual return on investment? Let's get into the hard numbers.
This is the million-dollar question, isn't it? If we're really talking about a digital employee, how does it stack up financially against a human one? Well, the data is pretty shocking. The all-in annual cost for a human sales development rep, or SDR, is about $98,000, and an AI SDR platform, around $28,000. But here's the kicker.
look at the output. The AI is generating 40 to 60 qualified opportunities a month, while a human is getting 15 to 20. So you're getting 2 to 3 times the output for less than a third of the cost.
When you run all the numbers, it works out to a total cost reduction of around 71%. This isn't just a small improvement. This is a complete reinvention of the economics of building a sales pipeline.
Now, let's be real for a minute. This isn't magic. It's not a set it and forget it kind of thing. There are some hidden costs that vendors don't always talk about. You need a big chunk of time for data prep up front. You need ongoing management every week to check performance. And you need quality control to make sure the AI is staying on brand. It's a strategic role, making sure the machine is doing what you need it to do.
So when you see all this, you realize we have to stop thinking like we're just buying another tool. We need to start thinking like architects. We're not just plugging in software, we are redesigning the entire revenue engine around a new division of labor.
A modern AI-powered system is built on these 4 layers. It all starts with a solid, unified data layer. On top of that, you have an intelligence layer making predictions. Then an orchestration layer automates all the workflows. And finally, the experience layer delivers that personalized interaction to both your customers and your own employees.
So what's left for people to do? Well, it turns out all the important stuff. AI is terrible at complex multi-stakeholder enterprise deals. It can't build deep, trusting relationships. It doesn't get cultural nuance, and it certainly can't handle a crisis. So the new division of labor is crystal clear. Let the machines handle the high-volume, repetitive tasks and free up your humans to focus on what they do best, building trust, navigating complexity, and using their judgment.
And that really brings us to the most important takeaway of all. This is not about humans versus machines. The future of sales is human orchestration of machine execution. It's a partnership where skilled people direct a powerful digital workforce to achieve things neither could ever do alone.
So I'll leave you with this one question to think about for your own organization. The technology is here. The ROI is undeniable. The only real question left is a strategic one. Are you still trying to patch up a broken process with new tools? Or are you ready to fundamentally redesign your entire process around the incredible capabilities of an AI workforce?